Okay, so what we're going to do now, obviously, we're going to go for this trace table question. Okay, you can see from the pseudocode, in the beginning of this pseudocode, there's passengers, okay, and it's got elements, okay. Index 1 is 100, you got minus 20, 70, minus 50, and minus 100, okay. So what you're supposed to do, obviously, now you have this trace table here with a number of variables here. You got carriages, total, max, and index, okay. If you look at the pseudocode, all you have to do is obviously look at the pseudocode, run the pseudocode, dry run the pseudocode, okay, and just place the values onto the table, okay, simple as that. So the first thing, if you look at the first line, okay, like I said, it's got an array there, okay, and stored a value stored inside an array. Then you've got a next line, it says 0 is assigned to carriages. This arrow pointing towards the word carriages, okay, indicate the carriages, okay, is a variable, and you're storing something in there. Now if you look down on your trace table, okay, you've got carriages, total, max, and index. Carriages is one of the variables. So what the first thing would happen is 0 will be assigned to carriages. So you have 0 in the carriages. Then the next line, it says 0 is assigned to total. So the total becomes 0. Okay. Then the next line, it says 0 is assigned to max. So max becomes 0. Then you have 1 is assigned to index. So index becomes 1. Okay. Now the next line, what happens is, if you look at the next line, it says while index is less than or equal to 5. So every time it hits this line, it checks if the index is less than or equal to 5. And this is actually a while loop. You can see while index is less than or equal to 5, do this. Okay. This okay, the 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5 line will be repeated until, okay, the index is 6. Okay, until index is 6. So what happens? While index is less than or equal to 5, total is assigned to total plus passengers, and then in block brackets it's got index inside it. What that indicates is, look at the array in passengers, look at the index, what the value of the index is, look at that location, look what the value is in there, add that value to the total, and whatever the total is, put it inside the variable total. That's what this line means. So let's have a look at what's inside total. What's inside total? At the moment you have 0. And now if you look at basically passengers, that's the array. Index, what is index? 1. So 0 plus index 1 inside the passenger array, index 1, what do you have in there? 100. So 0 plus 100, so total becomes 100. Okay. Then the next line, it says if total is greater than max, max is 0. If total is greater than max, do what? It is greater than max. Do what? Put whatever is inside total, put it inside max. So max becomes 100. Then then it says index is assigned to index plus 1. What is index at the moment? 1. So index is 1 plus 1 is 2. Put 2 inside index. So index becomes 2. Then you go back and check, is index greater than 5? No, index is only 2. So it's not greater than 5. Repeat that all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 line, repeat it again until the index is 6. Okay, so repeat what? Total is assigned to total plus passenger. So what is total at the moment? 100. Passengers, okay, passengers, index what? 2. So look at the array index, look at the array passengers, look at the index. What is the value in there? Minus 20. So you have total plus passengers index, which is minus 20, 100 plus minus 20, put it inside total. So what's 100 plus minus 20? 80. Okay, so you need to put 80 inside total. Okay, then the next line, okay, it says if total is greater than max. Is total greater than max? No, it's not. So what we'll do, we'll skip this line, we'll come back here, and then the next line, assign to index, put inside index, whatever the index is, plus 1. What is index? 2. 2 plus 1 is? So index becomes 3. Okay, go back, okay, and check. While index is less than or equal to 5, is index greater than 5? No, it's not. Carry on doing it. Do what? Total is assigned to total plus passenger index. Okay, so what is total? 80. Okay, so if you have 80, then look at the index. Index is what? 70. Okay, so total is 80, passengers, and inside the array passengers, location index 3, what do you have? 70. 80 plus 70 is 150, is put inside total. Okay, then if total is greater than max, is total greater than max? Yes. If total is greater than max, yes it is. Do what? Put whatever is inside total, put it inside max. So this becomes 150. And if, then you have index. What is index? 3. Index plus 1 is assigned to index. 3 plus 1 is? 4. Put 4 inside index. So index becomes 4. Okay? Go back and check. While index is less than or equal to 5. Okay? Is an index greater than 5? Is it less than or equal to 5? Yes, so you continue. Okay? So total is assigned to total plus passengers index 4. Okay? So what is total? 150. Okay, 150. What is index? Passenger, look at the passengers, and index, look at index 4. What is in index 4? Minus 50. Okay? So if it's minus 50, okay? So total is 150 plus minus 50 is 100. Okay? So you have 100, put it inside total. Okay? So then the next thing is if total is greater than max. Is total greater than max? No, it's not. So you will skip this line. And if, then go index is assigned to index plus 1. What is index at the moment? 4 plus 1 is? 5. Okay, so this becomes 5. Okay, go back and check. While index is less than or equal to 5. Is it equal to 5? Yes. So do it again one more time. Do what? Total is assigned to total plus passengers index. What is total? Okay, 100. And then you go look at the array passengers. Look at the index. Index 5. What is in index 5? Minus 100. Okay, so total is 100 plus passengers index 5 is minus 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. Okay, then what happens is you go, if total is greater than max, then do this. Is total greater than max? No, it's not. You're going to skip this line, go end if, and then go to index is assigned to index plus 1. What is index? 5. Index 5 plus 1 is? 6. Put 6 inside index. So this becomes 6. Okay. Then you goes back and checks. While index is less than or equal to 5. Is it less than or equal to 5? No, it's not. So skip the whole entire while loop. Come to here. Carriages is assigned to max divided by 50. Okay, so what's max? 150 divided by 50. 150 divided by 50 is okay. Is that understood?
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay, so that's how you do trace table.